Who it is. Cabin Cowboy checking out. Holla back at me now. If you guys are looking for a beautiful luxury A-frame style park model, guys, this is the one we call the luxury A-frame park model RV. It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, this thing is done to the nines. I mean, look at that. Walk-in shower. I mean, tub, toilet, and sink. But this is the money shot here. Look at this A-frame style master bedroom. You can easily fit a king-size bed in here. To me, this is the money shot, guys. I'm 6'6", so I love things with really high ceilings. And look at how high that is. I mean, it is just beautiful. Just imagine hanging out here. Maybe you put a TV on this wall and you got your bed chilling, or better yet, skip the TV when you got views like that, right? And just enjoy that land, take it all in. Guys, give us a call. 812-595-4033. 812-595-4033. Beautiful Amish built modular homes and park models is what we do all day, every day. Again, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. Give us a call, 812-595-4033. Look at that. You got your stackable washer and dryer. And look at the money shot here. Beautiful island. Full-size dishwasher, Frigidaire, slow close cabinets. Look at how beautiful this is, guys. Got your access to get up to the loft. My son loves that loft. Full-size range, microwave. You got your refrigerator, again, slow close everything. For me, I just can't get away from this pretty A-frame right here. I just think this is just so lovely in the master. I just think that just sets it off. And let me walk outside real quick. Man, my phone is off the hook. I haven't even uploaded this video yet. My phone is already going crazy. Look at that. You got your French doors. You got your mini splits. Look at that beautiful dark knotty pine ceiling. Again, all kinds of light busting through the windows. I mean, isn't that lovely? Let me take you and show you the outside of this real quick. Got a beautiful porch on it. See that, guys? It's about 14 by 38 long. Just shy of 400 square foot livable. Give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Let's get you a beautiful cabin or park model on your land. And remember too, if you don't want this built on a trailer, we can also build it on skids. A lot of people want this just set on a permanent foundation. So again, we can either build it on a trailer or we can build it on skids and set it on a permanent foundation. Let me go around the back here and see if I can show you that A-frame from the back side of it, because to me, that's the money shot. I want you to see what this A-frame looks like from the back side of it. Look at that. Look at that. That's the money shot right there. This is basically a Montana style. We got the baby Montana. This is the daddy Montana. Luxury daddy Montana right here. Got your premium ribbed metal siding. Again, guys, give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Let's get you a beautiful park model or modular home built by the Amish on your land. 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Y'all have a blessed day now.
Hey everybody, we are in the Rocky model RV park model. We actually did a video for you all yesterday. We have one exactly like this. on the lot that I'm gonna get into the detail and talk about the differences and upgrades and stuff like that we can do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch the video. That way you can see what I'm gonna talk about here. So from the very beginning, the one that we have on the lot, as you walk in, we have the kitchen just like this, but we do have a smaller living room and a bedroom right here. But to be honest, I fell in love with this one because it makes it really nice and spacious. I love it over here, and my son is really acting like he's going to drive. But we did a drive and he's just chilling over here. But anyways, these are some of, I want to go over the upgrades because I love this one. This is actually, I think, for a customer that they made upgrades with the countertops. This is the coarse countertops, very cool. And if you guys remember the video we did yesterday and also can correct me if I'm wrong, I think we had shelves on this side.
Yeah, we had shelves kind of like this, but we didn't have full-blown kitchen cabinets like this.
Exactly, and that's what I was talking about yesterday, that you can turn these shelves into the cabinets. But some people like the static, which I do too. I think it just gives it a different vibe. It's really nice. And of course, the accent color makes all the difference. And in this one, actually, we have the same size stove, but we do have a little surprise over here. A little mini dishwasher comes handy. Very handy.
Yes. Can't go wrong with the dishwasher.
Exactly.
And something I wanted to point out as well, on the other model, it stops right here.
I think so.
But over here, they built an L-shaped island here, so that way you have a sitting room over here for your when you're having your meals. So you have two stools here, and now you have a spot to chill when you are eating your meal. Actually, I just noticed too, Nadia, could you?
Yes, I noticed that.
There's
more storage.
some storage space there that I just noticed.
Nice and deep.
Yeah, so now you have another closet here with more storage underneath the bar area. Okay, so super cool.
And look at this little nook over here to hang your clothes, store your shoes, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same color as the cabinets, just to bring everything together. And more cabinets up here. To be honest, there's plenty of cabinet space in this little RV model.
Yep.
And then again, I think everything else is the same as the one that we have on the lot currently, and that one.
Yeah, just the color scheme is different. They went with this kind of ocean, beachy, white and blue concept, which I think really kind of looks it's almost like you're on a permanent vacation, in this.
It feels truly like home, or I think if this makes a great Airbnb.
Absolutely.
If we want to do that, which a lot of our customers love that. Walk-in shower, another window over here, stackable washer and dryer.
Whirlpool, right? Yes. Top of the line brand.
Absolutely.
And the windows are Anderson windows. And again, take a look at this, guys. Look at this shot of this living room and how open, airy, and look at the colors.
Windows, really.
Yeah, lots. Again, when you're in a smaller space and you have a shed style roof on the front side, big windows, dark floors, white walls or light walls and a light ceiling, it's gonna make the space feel a lot more open, airy, and livable. Okay, so let's make our way now back to the bedroom area. And
as you pass the bathroom we just showed, this is your bedroom over here.
Electrical panel.
Nice and spacious with the beautiful windows over here. I love this. Gorgeous.
Yeah. So there's your second mini split, your Bosch mini split. There's your windows. Again, windows galore, guys. From the top of the ceiling to the bottom, you see all those windows. The fan up here blowing, keeping everything nice and cool. These are your screens for your windows. Obviously, they'll be installed after the home has been shipped. Again, there's your lovely bathroom. And let's take them outside and show them what the outside of it looks like as well. And then we'll just keep trucking along here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, guys? So let's show them what the yeah, you got a couple lights there. Again, you got this ribbed metal with the cedar trim, and then you have an electrical outlet down there. And I just love it. It's like I said, it's like that Scandinavian look to it. Just absolutely beautiful. You can kind of see the size of it now that we're out here. Nadia is about 5'2", 5'3", so you can kind of see how large the structure is. And again, we can either build it with the hitch on a trailer, on a 4-axle trailer system, or we can build it on skids if you just want to put it on a permanent foundation. All right, guys, how's everybody doing today? We're going to start on the inside of this one that we call the Farmhouse Barrington. So this is the Barrington Park model. I have filmed this one before on my lot, but the one I got on my lot is more of the rustic one that's got the tongue and groove pine on the inside. This one here has the birch wood walls painted white. So this one's more of a farmhouse, more contemporary versus rustic. I love it though because you still got your tongue and groove pine dark ceilings, you got your dark floors, but again, with the white walls, it just opens up the whole area, and as you can see, makes it very livable. You got a full-size couch over there, living room. Come on to the back, you got your kitchen area, you got your full-size stove, microwave, refrigerator, stackable washer and dryer. Got more storage over here. Again, everything you need, nothing you don't. Isn't that pretty? You walk in the front door, you got your living room over that way. There's your Bosch Mini split. Beautiful park model RV. Nice size porch on the front. Okay. Of course, we can screen that in as well. This one is set up where you got your loft upstairs there for the guests or the kiddos. And then of course downstairs through that room is your master bedroom, which we'll show you that here in a second. You got your, look at this, beautiful full bathroom here with your slow close cabinets, medicine cabinet. Okay, get your light switches, and over here you got your walk-in shower, your commode. Again, remember guys, I'm a tall fella. I'm 6'6", and I can stand straight up and down in that bathroom and in that shower, no problem.